Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this 6-foot Type-C to Type-C cable. This I got from Five and Below. It was about $5.55, I think. Five and Beyond. I know Five and Below, I guess it's been going on. They have pretty cool stuff, guys. I'm not going to lie. But so for $6 for this cable, it's pretty good. Especially now that we're transitioning to Type-C to Type-C for every single device in the future. That's what we're going to have. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll put the link down below for where you guys can find it. I think it's convenient for me. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. So here's the scissors. So it wants me to use scissors. Here it is. And make sure you just stop at the line. And there's a line. Watch it, we cut it and it doesn't even open from the bottom. I knew it. That sucks. I cut the wrong line. It doesn't even open. Oh wait, it is opening. Let me see. Oh my gosh. No, it didn't open. I cut it too short. It told me to cut it here. Maybe I needed to cut it lower. Let's try again. We'll make two of them. Let me see what it is. It still didn't open. Okay, let's try one more line then. Alright, that's where the deep pocket is. There you go. Now it's open. Yeah, false advertisement right there. I had to cut through multiple. Maybe it wanted me to cut through triple. So let's give it a shot. So here is a 6-foot Type-C to Type-C, as mentioned. So first of all, great quality. I like the green, going green. They're using this type of material. I don't think this is plastic. I mean, I don't know if this is, they usually have a choking hazard on this, first of all. I think this is disposable. I don't know. They're not using plastic though. So they are going green, so that's what's cool. Let me untie this. Okay. So this is not bad for a 6-foot USB-C. Nice. Nice. Convenient for long. I actually prefer shorter USBs, just because like the charging time, it does play a big difference. Some people don't believe that. Like the longer, yeah, you can use it, but it actually, you know, the time and distance it needs to travel to charge, I believe in that. So let's see, I'm gonna use my limited edition Batman. These are from Five and Below, guys, just so you know. I actually like these. They don't sell them no more, and I got lucky. They're Batman edition. As you can see, black and gold. And I love these. They have like deep, rich bass sound. So I think no active noise cancellation. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this. That's kind of cool. And then we're gonna connect it over here. Yeah, and it's convenient. It's not gonna charge because I don't have a charger for it. And this one, since it's USB-C, this one doesn't have a USB-A, so I can't test it out with this one. So sorry, but it does work. I know it will work because it's brand new. That's because it's charging, doesn't mean it's charging wirelessly. It's just connected through. But other than that, guys, I think this is pretty straightforward. The material of this is really good. Just be careful with these wires because they tend to some people they tend to like squish it, and then once this gets squished right here, it's really hard to like make it pop back out. So be careful with that. Other than that, guys, I think this is really good. I'm gonna try charging. I have a theory. I want to try charging this with the MacBook. I wonder if this will actually charge the MacBook. So with that being said, I'll leave you to it because I know that some people that basically go to school or have a laptop with them, I know that this would be really effective for you to carry these two things and a MacBook rather than a big charger. That'll make a difference. So I'll update you guys. I'll drop it down in the comments if you think this will actually work with charging your MacBook. I don't have one right now, but at my work they have one, and I'm actually gonna take these two things and see if it actually charges. Let's see. Hopefully it gives a good enough wattage, but I think it's a wattage right here that's gonna determine if it charges or not. So other than that, guys, once again, this is a 6-foot Type-C to Type-C cable. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below see if this has worked for you or if you had any problems with it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.